Hi, in this presentation I'll show you how you can upload notes and other documents. Other documents can be the syllabus, it can be the interaction schedule, or other documents that you are required to upload on the LMS. So before we can do that, there are certain things you need to make sure you have in place. Number one, ensure that your notes are already typed. Yeah, you can type the notes in Microsoft Word and you have all of them in place. And it would be a good practice to have all these notes in one folder so that when we start uploading, that shouldn't take your time. It is interesting to note that much of the work is in creating content, not uploading. Uploading is simple work, you can do it in less than 5 minutes. And I would also suggest that you convert your notes which are in Word document format, convert them to PDF, yeah, so that no changes can be made to them, but that is optional. And if you do not know how to convert your document to PDF, well, you can always ask and find out from the IT specialist or from myself. Okay, so if your notes are ready, then you are set to follow this guide. So the next thing is to open the web page for LBTC. So I am going to type the website address for LBTC, www.lbtc.ac.zm. Press enter. Okay, when the page opens, locate College Portal on the top right corner of your screen. Here it is. Click on that. On the login screen that shows, enter your user details. So I'll enter my user ID. If you don't know that, find out from Mr. Joki, our IT specialist, on how you can do that. Enter your password. You're only seeing dots because that's a password. It's my secret, no other person should see it. When you're done, click on login. On this page which shows locate menu, and you click on that. On these tabs which show, go to collaboration. In collaboration, locate documents. Click on that. Now, the notes I want to upload belong to a class called Secretarial, Certificate in Secretarial. So what I'll do is I'll go to Create. Two menu options show, Document and Folder. I'll select Folder because I want all the notes to be going in this folder. So you click on Folder. So I'm going to give a name to my folder. I'll call it Certificate in Secretarial. Okay, you would want to use abbreviations. I would have actually chosen just to call it CSOM, Certificate in Secretarial and Office Management Studies, but I won't do that because I already have a folder and content in it. This is just for demonstration purposes. So that's the name I'm going to give to my folder. Then you select the department where this program is found, where the secretarial program runs. So it runs under Business Studies and Education Department. So whichever department you are from, select the appropriate one. You click on that. Okay, upon doing that, you can ignore this. Just move on to select a term. So the notes I'm uploading are for ODFL, an ODFL class. So I'm going to choose an ODFL class, and the one which is beginning to run this April 2020. So I can see so many courses here, but I want Secretarial and Office Management. So if you are not clear on what is the abbreviation for your course, again, ask the IT specialist if you need guidance on that, or if it's your first time using the learning management system. But the course stream I'm looking for is, it goes by the abbreviation CSOM, and for April 2020. Okay, there it is. ODFL April 2020 intake. So you click on that. Okay, I can see that this has 2 students. This course has 2 students in it, so I'm going to click on select all. So there is an option, select all or add. So in case a certain student hasn't yet paid her fees or his fees, you need to select those who are paid up, for example. So for example, in this case, I may want to add only this student, but if I want to add both of them, I'll click on select all. Upon doing that, it shows on your right pane here which ones have been selected. Okay, so then you move on and give a name to the document you want to upload. So I'm going to say lesson 1 notes. Alright, then you go to choose file. So now this will take you to your, the directories in your computer, or the folders in your computer. And so here now you need to choose where you had saved those notes you prepared offline. So I'm going to choose desktop. I would encourage you to create a folder on the desktop where you save all your notes before you upload them, so that it's easy for you to locate them. So here I'll choose desktop. So then I'll look for the notes I created. Okay, my notes, I put them in this folder, ODFL Secretarial Courses. So I'm going to click lesson 1, parts of a computer. So all the work I needed to do were already created and saved in this folder. So I just need to click on that. You can actually double click, or you simply go to open. So I'll double click. After doing that, click on submit. It's done. It's as simple as that. So all the notes you are creating for the different classes are going to display here. So for example, the folder which I had created, do you remember that? It was certificate SEC. That's how I abbreviated it. So I'll simply click on this, and I should be able to see the notes that I had saved in that folder. Yes, so those are the notes I saved. So upon clicking this, it will download. So of course it's a student who would want to do that, it's not you to do that. So this is a short presentation on how you can upload your documents.